That's a really hard question because the immune system is so incredibly complex. When I show you this, I'm not going to show it to you now, but when I give you this video, you'll have a look at it and you'll be like, okay. So I think you're saying, when does an immune response not happen? Bacteria, for example, can move around in body fluids. So that might be in the blood or it might be in the tissue, but they can move around from place to place. So they might take quite some time before they get noticed by a circulating white blood cell. So if they're going through the liver, where we've got these specialized Kupffer cells adhering to the cells of the liver, other cells of the liver, they'll probably get caught, hopefully get caught, and we don't end up with like really bad infections. But if they've got into the body some other way, for example, through a cut, or they probably usually get caught in the lungs because there's lots of adaptations there as well. But imagine they've got in through a cut and they start circulating in the body tissue, then they might not come across a cell that's able to engulf them for some time, and they might be able to take hold and make an infection start. And so that's one way we can get an infection, even though we've got all of these circulating immune cells. It is just chance whether the right type of immune cell can catch the pathogen once it's got in. And if it's a virus, it takes a while before they get caught because they have to get into the cells really quickly. But when we go through not the next unit, but the unit afterwards, when we start to look at disease, you'll see that when viruses get into a body, they pretty much just get in and get straight into a cell, that you don't see them floating around in the tissue. So there's nothing to detect a lot of the time because they're inside the human cell replicating.